All right, be sure to join us same time, same place for the, our weather kid tomorrow will be here to help Hutch figure out what in the heck is going on with our weather. A lot of cold, a lot of snow. Dakara Dotson joins us from Breckenridge. Here is a look at what we are concerned about right now as we turn the attention from the wind to the cold that is working its way into the valley. We have a wind chill warning for our entire viewing area. Wind chills overnight 40 to 50 below for many, and at times as cold as near 60 below. As we go through the overnight, we do have some cold air here in the valley, some of the coldest in the hemisphere, as a matter of fact. And here is a look at your satellite radar. These snow showers exited fairly early. The north winds continued to churn up that light amount of snow across the valley, causing reduced visibility, terrible travel conditions, and dangerous wind chills throughout the day. And now the temperatures continuing to fall. Here's the setting sun as we look on our Valley Skycam. That is a sundog on the left and a sundog on the right. Beautiful sight there, but it's a painful sight to go out and witness right now. It is 14 degrees below zero out at Hector, and it feels like 42 below. So make sure you're covering up all exposed skin. Within 10 minutes, frostbite can set in. Frostbite is when your skin cells freeze. And again, when you do have frostbite set in, you do not want to slam that skin around or heat it up real fast. You want to warm it up slowly. Here's a look at 15 below right now in Grand Forks, 17 below for Fergus Falls, 11 below in Detroit Lakes. Factor in those winds that are still gusting at times to 40 miles per hour out of the north, and we have wind chills in the mid-40s below already in western parts of Otter Tail County, and still very cold up north as well. Hour-by-hour forecast shows the north wind does continue, but it's decreasing in intensity. As we go towards 10 o'clock, we'll have 10 to 20 mile per hour winds, maybe a few gusts higher than that in our far south and east counties where you see the arrows down here. That's where the evening wind chills will be the worst. Temperatures will be kissing 20 below zero as we head to bed tonight. Overnight, clear skies, calm winds, and temperatures that will dive down to 20 to 30 below. I do think we'll have a few locations that get down colder than 30 below tonight, likely in northwest portions of Minnesota. I put Fargo at 30 below because there is that chance here in the FM area and Clay County in particular of seeing some 30 below readings. Factor in even a little bit of wind. We'll have wind chills between 50 and 60 below out there as you are starting your day. Brutal morning temperatures. We'll have some sunshine, though, and the sunshine will go to work. We will warm up as we go through the mid-morning hours. We'll see light winds, plentiful sunshine. We'll stay sub-zero across the region throughout the day. Heading into the latter portion of your afternoon, the wind 5 to 15 miles per hour, still sunny, and it becomes a little more southerly as we close out the day, setting the stage for a little warm-up for your Valentine's Day. More on that in a second. Right now, let's take a look at that Thursday frigid start to the day. Near 30 below out at the bus stop, and it does look like even 10 mile per hour winds will have those wind chills down around 50 below. We'll warm things up relatively quickly. We will be in the single digits below zero for most of the afternoon, and then heading into the evening, we go right back down again into the teens below as we will be fairly cold. But as we go through the overnight, thanks to the south winds that will be increasing overnight into your Friday morning, temperatures have a shot at rising up. So at or below zero across the region for our afternoon under sunny skies with a lot less wind than today. Dare I say, even though we'll be sub-zero all day long, it will feel so much better than today or tonight as it does right now. Here is another view of some sundogs out there. This one captured by Bill. Thanks for taking the time to upload your Thief River Falls snapshot there. Here's a look at your planning forecast. Okay, we've highlighted Thursday because of the dangerous cold that will be there throughout the morning hours in particular. After that, we start a rebound that carries us up to 17 degrees on your Valentine's Day. So we enjoy 2 warm days, Friday and then Saturday, not too bad. But Saturday brings another cool shot as this Arctic air that we're at now, or we have now, is going to wrap itself around Hudson's Bay and then come back at us as we go through Sunday and into early next week. So we are not done with the Arctic yet. We'll have a little reprieve. Friday and Saturday. Saturday comes with a shot of light snow, a little bit of wind, and then the cold returns to close out your weekend. Here's what it looks like. The old Penguins out of here, right back into the kitchen, though, as we head into next week, as those north winds will return the Arctic air to the valley for the better portion of next week as well.
All right. Thanks, Hutch.
You bet.
Newly